Hey guys, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to show you an effective and easy way to save the data that you are posting on Pinterest as a pins in a cloud-based storage which is called OneDrive by Microsoft. And we are going to do this by setting up an automation. So this automation is designed and created to save your time and manual efforts. And if you're using Pinterest for creating user engagement or to drive more traffic in your website, or for any reason, and you want to save the backup of the data that you're posting as pins on Pinterest, this automation is going to help you a lot. Let me show you how. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this. Here you can see, as you create a new pin in Pinterest, the same pin is going to be saved here. The data of the same pin is going to be saved here in OneDrive automatically. So you need not to download the data of the pin and then copy the pin here again and upload the pin here again in OneDrive. You just have to create a pin and the same pin or the data of the same pin is going to be saved here in OneDrive automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any person can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, just like me here. And to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And here you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow or automation. So let me fill the name here. So here I have given the name to this workflow as save Pinterest post data into OneDrive automatically. Now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created on this page like this. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things first, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of an event which is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be the response towards that trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new pin created in Pinterest board, and the action towards that trigger would be to save the data of that same pin in OneDrive automatically. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. So from this choose app field, search for the trigger application, which is Pinterest in our case. So search for Pinterest. Okay, select it, and the trigger event, you will find this new pin option. Select on new pin and then click on connect, and from here select add new connection and then click on connect with Pinterest. Okay, so from this window you can select your Pinterest account and give the access. Okay, so if you're not logged in, it may bring you to the login window, so you can log in and then click on give access, and you will be connected with Pinterest like this. Okay, and here you can select the board in which you are creating the pins. So this is my Pinterest account, guys. So guys, this is my Pinterest account's dashboard, and here I have these three boards: the Pabbly board, the Royal Sun board, and the Sigma board. So I'm going to choose this one, the Pabbly board here. Okay, so I'm selecting Pabbly. Okay, then click on save and send test request. And in the response received section, it will fetch the data of the most recently created or posted pin from Pinterest. Okay, so here you can see it is showing us this data. The username, the media type is image. This is the size of the image. This is the link of the image that you have posted as a pin. Okay, and all the details is this. This is the description of the image also. So here you can see we have this most recently created pin. This is the pin, small town. This is a picture of small town. This is a demo image I have pinned here. Okay, and here you can see we have this data, and when you open this URL, which is this, okay, media image URL, you can see the image that you have posted. So this is the same image that you have posted on the Pinterest. It is showing us here in this size. Okay, right? So you have a other dimensions of the image as well. Let me open this dimension for you. The original URL. Let me open the original URL. So you will find this image original URL here, and from here you can see your original photo like this. Okay, so this is the original one that we have posted as a pin. Right now I want to save this same pin here in my OneDrive's folder, which is this. I have this folder here. Let me show you. I have all these folders here, and I have created this Pinterest folder, so I am going to save this same photo in this folder. Okay, so to save the photos on OneDrive, you need to connect OneDrive here in this Actions tab. So click here, and from this choose app field, search for OneDrive by Microsoft. Okay, this is this once Microsoft OneDrive. Select it, and in the action event you have to select this option, which is upload a file option. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Microsoft OneDrive. So it will bring you to the login section, and if you are already logged in, it will ask for the required accesses. So here you have to click on yes, and you will be connected with OneDrive account in a few moments. Like this, you can see authorization is successful here, and we are connected with Microsoft OneDrive. And here it is asking for the folders name, so it will show you the list of the folders that you have in OneDrive. So I want to save this photo in this Pinterest folder, so I'm going to select Pinterest folder from here. This is it. Okay, now it is asking for the file's name and the file URL. So I'm going to map the data that we have received from the Pinterest here in this first tab. So here you can see this original URL label. Okay, and so I'm going to map this, and you will find you can map the file name as this name. Let me show you. Okay, so here you can see the title of the pin, so I'm going to use this label as the file's name. So here in this file's name, when you click, you will find this Pinterest option in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will get all the data that you have received in the first tab. So from here only you can map the data, which is the file name. Here is the title, so I'm mapping this title label as the file name. For the file URL, I'm going to use the same process, and I'm going to map the original URL. Let me show you. This is the original URL of the original picture size. Okay, and here you can select the file as default. Okay, right. So now you can check your connection with OneDrive by clicking on save and send test request, and this same file that we have attached here is going to be saved here automatically. Let me show you. Right now my Pinterest folder is empty here, you can see, and here I am clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And here you can see it is showing this kind of a message. Let me show you in my OneDrive account if we got anything saved here. Let me refresh this folder, and you can see we got a new photo added here automatically, and when you open it, you can see that this is the same photo that we have posted in Pinterest. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. Let me show you a real time example. Guys, you have to set up this automation only once. Once you set up this trigger and action and map this data, you need not to touch this workflow again. After that, as and when you create a new pin, you will find the data of that same pin here in this folder. So this is how it is going to work in real time. Now let me give you a quick recap what I've done here. So first of all, in the trigger, we connected Pinterest with new pin as a trigger event and captured the data of most recently created pin from Pinterest. And after that, I connected Microsoft OneDrive in the Actions tab and mapped the data to save the same pin in OneDrive here. Okay, so you have to set up this automation only once. After that, it will work automatically. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application,
Please ask your queries from this forum link and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.